Kuom josiasa koro kwedo tim ma obila tiyo gi teko mathoth kuom jong'anyo wirani chal makamano kelo hinyruok kod tho e kind oganda. Ka giloso kinde mane gilimo jogo manyo yudo hinyruok e ng'anyo manyo bagi e pacho kod chi manyoro. Giwacho ni nitie dwaro mar timo nonro mar fwenyo jogo manonego rowere kinde ng'anyo mar kwedo paro mar chik mar omenda mar higa ma 2024 2025. Giwito oko bende paro mar ni gin ema gichulo kweth njore mondo mi oroch ng'anyo mag rowere.
When the Albert Ojwang demonstrations were happening, even the goons themselves came out confessing. So please don't drag the opposition into things that are as plain as daylight. We know it. They will, of course, try and attempt to do this and the other. But even lying or insinuations require a little bit of intelligence.
If the opposition are organizing these things and causing this, unangoja filimbi ya nani kukamata hao watu wa opposition?
Kamata watu.
Yeah, if you have facts about you are saying so and so is funding this, so and so is funding, why are you telling us the story? Statecraft 101.
Yeah.
Government officials, whether they are cabinet ministers or anybody, should never, ever, ever, ever make allegations. Why? Because they have the instruments of power, they can act. So they make allegations and tell you Wananchi to do what?
The way he sent Murkomen to go and look at the shops in CBD, let him come and see the kids who have got wounds, who have been shot, who are in bed in this place. And I want to say this, if there is no justice, there will never be peace in this country.
Indeed.
If there is no justice, Kenya will never be anything. So let the president decide whether he wants to be a statesman or a local village boy who has got power and money.
We were not supposed to lose another life yesterday. We were supposed to honor the fallen heroes. This is one thing we want to tell President William Ruto.
One of them was very far away.
We want to tell him that, you know, when you introduce the politics of goonism, it's like riding the back of a tiger. No one is in control of those goons.
Yeah.
This is where Haiti has reached.
Gulmar kanisni mapacho kamong'ere kaka National Council of Churches of Kenya oseyo teko mathoth ma